Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to use Google Drive in 2 minutes. Open Google Chrome. In a new window, click on Google Apps and then select Drive. You will see the drive associated with your account. There you will have access to all the hosted files. Now click on Computers. This allows you to see the associated PCS. From the section My Drive, you can see the files that have been uploaded. Finally, when you click on New, you can create a new folder or directly upload files or folders to your drive. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.